Forest is a diverse natural habitat system representing the most sumptuous biological areas on Earth. Forest biodiversity is a result of the evolutionary processes which occurred over thousands and millions of years. Forest ecosystems are large geographical areas of the landscape that are dominated by trees and consist of biologically integrated communities of plants, animals and microbes, together with the local soils and atmospheres with which they interact. There are producers who prepare food for the entire forest ecosystem. Trees and plants are thus called the primary producers. Consumers are the one who cannot produce their own food and thus depend on producers for their food and energy sources. Organisms that only eat plants are referred to as primary consumers. For example, herbivores such as deer and rabbits are primary consumers. Secondary consumers feed on herbivores and are called as carnivores. Omnivores are the consumers that feed both on plant and animals. Temperate forests are found in the temperate zone, between the tropical and boreal regions, at latitudes ranging from 25 degrees to 50 degrees north and south of the equator. It is the second largest terrestrial biome, covering 16% of the world's forest area, only behind the boreal forest, which covers about 28%. About 9% of Earth is covered by temperate deciduous forest, or 30% of the land. Covering approximately 10 million square km of Earth's land area, temperate forests usually are classified into two main groups, deciduous and evergreen. The temperate zone is also home to a variety of human cultures. Some of the most populous countries in the temperate zone include the United States, China, Europe, and Japan. Temperate forests temperatures range from hot in the summer, with highs of 30 degrees Celsius, to extremely cold in the winter, with lows of -30 degrees Celsius. The average temperature in temperate deciduous forests is 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius. On average, this biome receives 75 to 150 centimeters of rain per year. Temperate forests are home to a wide variety of plants, including both deciduous and evergreen trees, as well as shrubs, ferns, mosses, and wildflowers. Temperate forests are dominated by a variety of tree species, including deciduous species such as oak, maple, beech, and hickory, as well as evergreen species like pine, spruce, and hemlock. These tree species provide habitat and food for a wide variety of animals, including insects, birds, and mammals. Trees like oaks, maples, ponderosa pines or Douglas fir can live hundreds of years. Some temperate forest conifers like redwoods and giant sequoias in California can live for thousands of years, and are some of the largest living things on the planet. The maximum height of a tree in a temperate forest is estimated to be between 400 and 426 feet. Hyperion was found in a remote area of Redwood National Park. Hyperion is estimated to be 700 years old. The tree has grown since then to reach 380.8 feet recorded in 2019. The second, fourth and fifth tallest trees measured 377, 371 and 363 feet. Temperate forests are home to tens of thousands of species, including invertebrates, insects, amphibians, reptiles, mammals, birds. Animals that live in temperate forests have many different ways to deal with the cold and lack of food in winter. The winter months in a temperate forest are December, January, and February, in the northern hemisphere, and June, July, and August in the southern hemisphere. Some animals hibernate during the winter and arise in spring when food is more plentiful. Others store food and burrow underground to escape the cold. Squirrels and chipmunks gather and store nuts in the fall. Some animals, like bobcats, grizzly bears, and timber wolves, grow thick coats to keep them warm in the winter. Bears spend summers rearing young and eating as much as possible to store fat for winter, when they won't eat for up to 7 months. Bears dig or build winter dens to shelter themselves. Other animals have adapted to this environment by blending in with the forest. Many animals avoid harsh conditions by migrating to warmer regions in winter. During warmer months, when many animals return, these regions are buzzing with the sounds of birds and insects. 1. Invertebrates found in temperate forests include centipedes, snails, slugs, insects, spiders, termites, bees, caterpillars, and butterflies. 2. Amphibians live across the forest in streams, rivers, ponds, lakes. Vernal and swamp include frogs, newts, salamanders. 3. Some common reptiles found in temperate forests include snakes, pythons, tortoises, lizards, geckos, chameleons. 4. Insects inhabiting temperate deciduous forests include ants, bees, beetles, butterflies, caterpillars, cicadas, cockroaches, crickets, dragonflies, flies, mosquitoes, moths, wasps, ladybugs. 5. The temperate forest is home to an enormous bird population such as eagles, hawks, woodpeckers, cuckoos, wrens, finches, macaws, owls, emus, cockatoos, vultures, crows, warblers, thornbills. 6. Many mammals live in temperate forests, including mountain lions, tigers, wildcats, elks, foxes, giraffes, monkeys, kangaroos, rabbits, buffaloes, bears, badgers, pandas, mouses, squirrels, bats, mooses, leopards, and white-tailed deers. White-tailed deer have 4 stomachs, each with their own specific digestive action. Some camouflage themselves as leaves, looking almost indistinguishable from the foliage. Endangered and threatened include the Louisiana black bear, the red wolf, the key deer, the eastern puma, the West Indian manatee, the North Atlantic right whale, the Mississippi sandhill crane, the piping plover, and the leatherback sea turtle. Forests mainly serve as home to various animals and plants. They provide both food and shelter to various living organisms. They are the natural shelters for various life forms. Forests are the largest terrestrial ecosystems of Earth by area, and are found around the globe. Forests help prevent erosion and enrich and conserve soil, helping to protect communities from landslides and floods and producing the rich topsoil needed to grow plants and crops. Forests also play an important role in the global water cycle, moving water across the earth by releasing water vapor and capturing rainfall. They also filter out pollution and chemicals, improving the quality of water available for human use. The destruction of forests has a knock-on effect on agriculture and can affect the production of the food we eat. Forests are the largest storehouses of carbon after the oceans, as they absorb this greenhouse gas from the air and lock it away above and below ground. Extreme events caused by climate change, such as more frequent wildfires, limit the ability of our forests to regenerate. Forests are also important as they can help protect people and nature from the consequences of a warming world. A forest consists of many biotic components. Forest fire needs to be monitored and damage control measures need to be taken at the right time. Measures and interest need to be channeled towards regrowing trees and increasing the land cover for forests. The cutting of forests should be strictly prohibited. Reforestation and afforestation need to be promoted throughout the world. It is an abode of a variety of wild animals. Hunting of wild animals should be banned. Care and habitation need to be provided to extinct species and efforts need to be taken to save them from becoming extinct.